Hi guys, and welcome back to Telling Time. Today I want to introduce what I think is one of the most underrated watch straps of all time, and that is the Marine Nationale or elastic parachute strap. This little strap has got to be one of the most comfortable and well-fitting straps ever made, and in my opinion fits much better and slimmer than your average NATO strap. But before we continue, if you enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comment below. It would go a long way to supporting the channel. The birth of the Marine Nationale or MN strap occurred with the French Navy in the 1960s. French Navy divers who sought a robust and adaptable watch strap for their diving operations repurposed the fabric and hardware of their parachute kit straps, ultimately crafting a strap that could easily stretch over wetsuits with infinite adjustability. Nowadays, as with the NATO strap, the MN or elastic parachute strap has become much more casual and widely manufactured in different colors to add the right flair to your watch. Now that you know a bit more about the MN strap, let's get right into the tutorial. So to demonstrate how to install and fit the MN strap, I'll be using this one that I got from Jeuxee. As I mentioned before, there will be many manufacturers of these straps these days, and almost all of them will be the same. So taking a look at the strap, you will notice that it's already closed in a loop, so many people will be confused on how to install this on your watch. This loop is where your wrist will go through, and to close the strap, you simply take this hook piece over here and secure it on the bottom of the buckle piece. Now, if you put your wrist through the hoop, you will easily be able to see where the watch head should go. Which is on this thin piece at the top right here. So to install the strap onto your watch, all you need to do is start with your watch head facing down, lay the strap on top and lift the top piece of fabric. Then, install the spring bars over the fabric, and this will attach the strap onto your watch. Once your strap is on, simply hook the piece over the buckle again to tighten up the strap. And if you need to tighten the watch strap more, simply pull the buckle towards the watch head. And if you need to loosen it, pull the buckle away from the watch head. And that's all there is to it. The strap is very light and flexible, making it super comfortable to wear, and once you know how to do it, it's very easy to wear and adjust. And in this classic army green color, it adds a militaristic aesthetic to any watch. If you haven't already, you definitely need to try one of these straps on. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. And as always, I'll catch you again in the next one.